Hey there, I'm Alex from WTI. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm wearing my new favorite fidget ring from Kingwill. Let me tell you, I've been through a lot of fidget rings. This is actually my fourth one. I'm a bit of an anxious person, so I really go hard on these rings. Even though I wanted a fidget ring, I didn't necessarily want it to actually look like a fidget ring. I like that this one from Kingwill is inconspicuous because of its design. It looks like just a chain, but no one knows that the chain actually spins. It is super comfortable on. It's so smooth inside. I feel like I can wear it all day long. And because I fidget a lot, I take it off my finger, I play with it, I spin it around, and it's just so comfortable. I just love the feel of it on my hand. It came presented beautifully. It comes with its own beautiful box with the Kingwill brand on it. It really just adds to the overall quality of the product. So if you're super hard on your fidget rings like I am, you've got a little bit of an anxious spirit in you, highly recommend this one from Kingwill, and that's my point of view.